In this video, we'll talk about data and photo collection using the Horizon mobile app. The app is available for Android or iOS devices and can be downloaded from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. When you open the app for the first time, you'll be prompted to log in. Once you log in, it will display any in-progress inspections you have on the cloud. An inspection must be created and activated through the Horizon Cloud before it appears on your mobile app. Go to www.discoverhorizon.com and schedule an inspection. Once you have scheduled the inspection, click Write Report to activate it and sync your mobile app by clicking Menu followed by Full Sync. An internet connection is required to sync. Once you click on the address, you'll be taken to the main screen of Roofing through Interior. Similar to the web version, you have recommendations, limitations, and descriptions. The first thing you will typically do on the app is get a cover photo for the inspection. Click on Menu, followed by Title Page Photo. Once you click Use Photo, it will instantly be uploaded to the cloud. It is best to take most of your photos in landscape mode as they will look better on the final report. If you don't have internet and want to take a title page photo, go to Roofing Descriptions and under Private Notes, and click on the Title Page Photo button. Once you take it, when you get back to the Horizon site, you can open that item and click the Title Page Photo button. Also, if you accidentally select the wrong button, hold down on the item to deselect it from your report. If you're using an iOS device, you can also swipe from left to right to go back one screen. Once you go into a system, it will give you the same categories and items that are on the cloud. To add an item, click on it, and once it's selected, if you tap it again, you can add additional notes or add a model number or serial number if it's an appliance. You can also snap a photo or a photo with a circle to highlight a defect. In this example, to take a general roof photo, I'll click on the standard photo icon on the left and press the shutter. Once you take the photo, it will pause temporarily on your screen. At this juncture, you can decide if you want to keep the photo or retake it if it was blurry. In this case, I'll click Use Photo. Once you're done with an item, click Save. Most photos are included in the recommendation sections. A great feature of Horizon Mobile is Power Search. If I want to make a recommendation, I don't want to have to hunt and peck the system to find it. To use it, tap on the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen. For this demo, I'll type in loose light. This is a smart search, so once you get the hang of it, you can use partial keywords. If I remove this search result, you can type in LOO space LIG to get the same result. Better yet, if you have an internet connection, you can tap on the microphone and use voice dictation. You can tap it, which will take you to the category, and tap it again to add it to your report. Once you tap the item again, you can quickly add additional details such as the direction, floor level, room, and task. I'll choose the applicable options here. Direction isn't relevant for this defect I'm describing, so I'll skip it. This issue is in the basement living room. So under floor level, I'll select basement. For room, I'll select living room. For task, I will select repair. And lastly, for time, I'll choose immediate, since this is a safety issue. I won't include costs here, but you can if needed. You can also tap Add to Summary to include it on your summary page, which appears at the beginning of your report. Once you click Next, you can also take a photo. Once again, you can also snap a photo or a photo with a circle to highlight the defect. For this demonstration, I'll click on the photo icon to the right. Once you click Use Photo, you'll be directed to a screen where you can mark it up. You can choose between a red or a white circle and choose if it's small or large. We've kept the options minimal here to maximize the speed of the app. Also, circles are much easier to use on a mobile device. If you make a mistake, you can click Clear to start over. I'll just add the circle again and click Save to go back. And I'll also save the item. To get back to the main screen of the app quickly, click on the menu, followed by House Systems. There is also a quick way to add a photo to a defect if you don't yet know what needs to be put for that location, task, or time, or you want to revisit later when touching up the report online. I'll go back to the power search and say ceiling damaged. Ceiling damage. There's 6 matches here. Once you found the result, instead of tapping, you can hold down on that item and click Add Photo. Once you click Use Photo, it will automatically take you to the photo screen, bypassing the location, task, and time screen. You can then save it and revisit it later when refining the report. Next, we'll discuss the available menu options. House Systems takes you back to the main screen of the inspection. Download Preview PDF will show you a basic text preview of the report so far. Note that there are no illustrations and photos, however this is a light sync that will help you to preview the content you've collected so far. Download Work Order is to pull up your job details, such as the client name and phone number. Push Only is a one-way sync back to the cloud. You would use this to push your remaining data back to the cloud once you have completed your inspection on the app. Horizon Mobile has a feature called AutoSync that is turned on by default when you install the app. With AutoSync enabled, Horizon will sync automatically after every 6th entry that is made as long as you have an internet connection. If you're using a Wi-Fi only tablet instead of a smartphone, try using your phone's internet via hotspot. This will give you the ability to use AutoSync in the field. At the end of your inspection, do a final push-only sync. If you have multiple inspections in a day, It is best to ensure that the previous inspection is pushed back to the cloud before starting the next one. Templates can be applied from the cloud as well. An internet connection is required to apply templates. Templates are covered in another tutorial on our Help Center. Finally, we have SpeedWrite. You can use this to collect all of your required items for your report based on what is required according to your standards of practice. You can use this to quickly add your descriptions and limitations and save valuable minutes from your report writing time. Once you're in SpeedWrite mode, you can exit it by clicking back to go back to the main interface. If you find it more useful, you can use SpeedWrite at the end of your inspection to see if there was anything you may have missed initially and enter those items quickly. Also, we have the Pay Invoice option. If you get set up with Guardian Financial, you can easily scan credit cards on site and process payment before leaving the inspection. Once you have pushed everything back to the cloud, log in to discoverhorizon.com to preview and refine a report before publishing. In this lesson, we have reviewed the functionality of the Horizon mobile app. If you have any questions, please visit us online by clicking the Help button at the top of your Horizon screen. Thanks for watching.